Hello guys, in this video you will learn about dictionaries and tuples. Let's discuss about the difference between dictionaries and lists. So in lists we can sort the elements, but whereas in dictionaries we cannot sort the elements. Now objects are retrieved by the keywords, whereas in the list it is retrieved by their location. Now what I mean is I will give you an example and explain to you. Okay, so if I'm writing the conditions for if name equals to main then I want to print something, so print something. Okay, now how are dictionaries, right? Dictionaries are wrapped in the curly braces, so I'm assigning my dictionary, so for my dictionary equals to, it is in the format like these are the keys and key 1, and this equals to value 1, like this. Now comma, it is key key 2, and whereas this is value 2. Okay, this is my dictionary. This will be wrapped inside a curly braces, and whereas if you want to access any values, then you can access it by keys. So for I want to access, so for I'm printing right now, so my dictionary, let's print. See, here it is printed, my dictionary. Now I want to print value 1. So what I have to do is just write like key 1. I can access this value using this key. For right, see, I'd accessed the value 1. Like this, you can write like I'm buying an apple of $2.99, so I'm writing the apple which is of $2.99. I'm writing a banana, bought a banana, banana of $1.99. Sorry. Yeah. See, now if I want to access, like I want to say for what's the price of apple, then what I have to do is just write a apple in between, apple. Now I can see the apple price is $2.99. So for now what I have to do is I don't want this price. Now so for after 1 week the price is changed, so what I have to do is reassign it. So my dictionary, I am reassigning a banana value with equals to, say, for $3. Let's check. Sorry, I have to check for banana. See, here I have reassigned it. This way you can reassign. Now so for I want a dictionary, and inside a dictionary I am storing some kind of list, yeah, like value 1, value 2, value 3, like that. Then how can I access the member of the list, the particular member of the list? So for this I am writing the key 1, I am writing here is 1. I'm writing here a key 2, and here I'm creating a list of 1 of 2, 3, 4. So for I want to access this element, first index element, or then what I have to do is write a key 2. So key 2, and inside which I have to access is index 1 element. So just write 1 1 like this. See, here it is printed or element which is on index 2. Now let's go. These are the method of these are the various methods of dictionaries, where you can assign a value, you can override a value, many things. Okay, now say for now I have to print a keys. So there is a method named dot key. So my dictionary dot keys, sorry, yeah. So for, see, these are the keys. A dictionary keys, key 1 and key 2. These are the keys, and if you want to print the values, then what are the total, print all the values from the dictionaries. Then you will print all the values in the dictionary, except for 1 and 2, 3, 4. Well, let's talk about this topic is over now, and our second topic is tuples. So let's talk about the tuples. So for my tuple, yeah, my tuple will be equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, like this. Now let's print my tuple first. My tuple. See, I printed 1, 2, 3, 4, and yeah. So for what's the difference between the list and tuples? Yeah, the beginners do mistake is list is wrapped in the square braces, and these are wrapped into this type of braces. So make sure you are working, don't confuse when working with a list and tuples. It has only of two types. It has only of two methods. You can perform only two methods in tuples. One is dot count and dot index. So for my tuples, dot count, inside which I am passing a element, means I want to count that how many times this element appears. Therefore I am writing here 2 and I am passing 2 here. Let's check how many times this element appears in my tuple. So this is a 2 times, and here is also 2 times. So, and the second is index. For index, I want an index of 4. So this element is 4. I want the index of the 4, which has an element value 4. So let's see. This is the index. So the in tuples, the element 4, where it consists is on the third position, means on the third index. 0, this is 1, this is 2, and this is 3. So these are the basic fundamental things that you should have to learn and you should learn. So our dictionaries and tuples topic are over. Hope we will see you in next video. Like a Hellcat.